Alright guys, welcome back. So you hear it running, and what happened was I had the fuel valve on off like a retard. So now that I switched it, she's on run. You hear it, she's running strong. Running strong. So I want to see if this little 1800 watt compressor can power my generator can power my air compressor. So let's see. That generator is a little loud, but let's see. Oh, the lights are on. The light is on. Let's see what we got. Nope. Won't do it. Oh man, that's kind of disappointing. I really thought it would do it. That's disappointing. I'm not even gonna lie. You're here to change again. Let's see. Well, I guess not. Well, live and learn, I guess. Live and learn. I guess it'll serve as a good alternate power source for something else.